And we also want to select a given livelihood. You can see the aggregate statistics about check-in patterns and the venue compositions for that neighborhood. And you can also see for the selected livelihood, what are the other livelihoods related to it? So this is the 5 most related neighborhoods to Soho. And what I like about this is it's a fascinating way to explore aggregate transportation patterns throughout the city. And so now on to evaluation. Although we have data from all over the world and we've clustered several cities that you can see on livelihoods.org, we evaluated the method in our home city of Pittsburgh. And so here I'm actually very proud of this picture. I'm not sure the resolution is good enough for you to see, but here is an aerial view of downtown Pittsburgh. And here on the bottom right are the livelihood clusters of downtown Pittsburgh. And in a higher resolution display, you can see actually that the types of buildings roughly correspond to the clusters that it finds. And what's interesting and what I find incredibly valuable is that from a neighborhood perspective, downtown Pittsburgh is one monolithic neighborhood. But what you're seeing is that we're finding these 5 distinct areas. And you can actually physically map these areas onto the aerial view of the city. I just think it's very cool. But that's not our evaluation. So how do we evaluate this? So the point is livelihoods are different from neighborhoods, but our question is how? In our evaluation, we want to characterize what livelihoods are. And so in our evaluation, we're most interested in questions of the form, for example, do residents derive social meaning from this livelihood mapping? And can livelihoods help elucidate the various forces that shape and define the city? And for questions like this, I think quantitative or algorithmic evaluation methods fall very short of capturing this kind of notion.